Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today we're diving into the latest financial results of TD SYNNEX Corporation, a leading global IT distributor. We'll explore their fiscal Q3 2024 earnings, discuss the highlights, and analyze what these results mean for investors. Stay tuned for an in-depth look at TD SYNNEX's performance and future prospects. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
TD SYNNEX Corporation reported strong fiscal Q3 2024 results, with revenue reaching $14.7 billion, a 5.2% increase from the previous year. The company achieved a net income of $179 million and a non-GAAP net income of $245 million. Diluted EPS was $2.08 and non-GAAP diluted EPS was $2.86. The company also announced a quarterly cash dividend of 40 cents per share, up 14% from the prior year. Key growth was seen in both the Advanced Solutions and Endpoint Solutions portfolios.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $14.7 billion, compared to $14.0 billion in the prior fiscal third quarter, representing an increase of 5.2%.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP diluted EPS for the current quarter was $2.08, compared to $1.49 in the prior fiscal third quarter. The non-GAAP diluted EPS was $2.86, compared to $2.78 in the prior fiscal third quarter.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Americas revenue was $9.1 billion, up 2.4% from the prior fiscal third quarter. Europe revenue was $4.6 billion, up 8.6% from the prior fiscal third quarter. Asia Pacific and Japan revenue was $1.0 billion, up 17.6% from the prior fiscal third quarter.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP gross margins for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP and non-GAAP gross margins for the current quarter were both 6.5%, compared to 7.0% in the prior fiscal third quarter.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter were $657.5 million, compared to $659.5 million in the prior fiscal third quarter. Non-GAAP operating expenses were $568.2 million, compared to $576.9 million in the prior fiscal third quarter.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Total assets, $29.2 billion. Total liabilities, stockholders' equity, $8.2 billion.
Were there any changes in cash dividends or stock splits announced in the current quarter?
The company announced a quarterly cash dividend of 40 cents per common share, up 14% from the prior fiscal third quarter.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
For Q4 2024, the company expects revenue $14.9 to $15.7 billion, non-GAAP gross billings $20.5 to $21.5 billion.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
TD SYNNEX Corporation demonstrated strong performance in fiscal Q3 2024, beating expectations with significant revenue growth and improved earnings per share. The company's strategic focus on advanced solutions and endpoint solutions has driven its success, and the increase in dividends reflects confidence in future growth. Overall, the company is well-positioned for continued success in the IT market.
That's all for today's analysis of TD SYNNEX Corporation's impressive Q3 2024 earnings report. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think TD SYNNEX is a strong investment opportunity right now. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.